Hey everyone, my Snuggs have arrived, so let's get unboxing. So here's the box and what it looks like. I find it very strange that she's kind of like clutching onto her boob. Like I don't see what the purpose is. Like it doesn't even relate to the product because it's period underwear. Like how does that? It's very strange. Anyways, I got the black color. It's recycled nylon, and I got it in heavy flow. I don't even remember if you could choose. I think you could choose like what flow you have. So I have tremendously heavy flow. So, and this is what it looks like. Ooh, it's so soft and but silky, but like, and it's stretchy. Oh my god, these are huge. They're just gigantic. I hope they fit me. I obviously think that I'm huger than I am, or I don't know. We'll see. Okay, before I put this Bridget Jones panties on, I just wanted to show you what it looks like inside, like, before it gets contaminated. So it comes with a sticker. It says once you remove the sticker, you cannot return it anymore. I'm gonna use it, so I'm not gonna, but anyway, so this part here is a little bit thicker than the rest of it. So this is like normal thickness. And then here is like, I don't know, I would say triple or even more. It feels a little bit padded, and it goes all the way until the back. So like high up into your ass, just in case, you can use it at night, or you flow a lot towards the back. I don't know how your flow goes, but yeah, I think that's kind of useful. And it also extends a bit in front. So, it always goes in the front. If you don't know, you don't know. Be happy that you don't know. But, for those of you who do know, this can be really helpful. So I will try it out and let you know. So, update. I took a shower because I wanted to feel fresh slipping into my new Snuggs. And the first feeling, the very, very first feeling, putting them on, it's like, oh, it's nice. Like, it's a nice silky feeling. And I'm glad, like, it's not tight at all. So clearly I'm not like maximum XL size. Like, it's comfortable. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall off, which is a great feeling. But it's also not cutting into my like blood circulation, which is very important. But there's this weird feeling. It's like, where I showed you how the padding goes all the way to the back, right? I can feel it. Like I can feel a line cutting across my butt, which is a very strange feeling, because it's not comfortable. So, I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to try and kind of get used to it. I hope I get used to it, because it doesn't feel very nice right now, whether I'm standing, walking, sitting. I think it will be even worse if I'm on the bicycle, so we'll have to see. But the initial reaction is like, this is not the most comfortable pair of period panties that I've tried on. Then again, I haven't tried on many, so maybe I can't really judge on that. Maybe they're all like that. I've only tried one or two. But yeah. Anyways, I usually wear period panties like with my period disc, so it's just like an added safety kind of thing. But I decided for this review that I would actually like wear it. So I'm on my like 4th or 5th day, I think, so I've got another like 2 or 3 days more to go, and we'll see how it goes. In terms of flow, I want to know if it stinks. I want to know if I can see anything when I go to the bathroom. I want to know, like, if I wash it, how long it's going to take to dry and stuff like that. So I will have to update this review after stuff has come out. Hey, so I just want to update about my Snuggs. It's been a day or so, and I've actually worn them like the whole day that I was awake. And you know that line that I was telling you about, this line here that kind of cuts across your butt? Like, I kind of get used to that feeling, but I know it's there. And then sometimes, like, during the day, I still find myself like, oh, there's the line. Like, I know it's there. So, I don't know. That's not what I want, because I want to wear something where I don't realize I'm wearing something. You know what I mean? Anyways, it's still something annoying for me, and it doesn't go away like totally. So that's something to keep in mind, I guess. But as far as it working, yes, it works. I wore it the whole day. I didn't have to change anything. I didn't wear it with anything else. So like no pads, no tampons, no panty liners, no cups. I mean, discs, whatever, like just nothing. And it was fine. I mean, I got through the whole day. I did not feel wet and icky at any point. So it must really like just zhup everything and then get dry as a bone. So that's good. That's a good feeling to have. Like, every time you go to the bathroom, you don't see anything or smell anything. Like, it doesn't have this like overwhelming aroma like when you take it off. Yeah, and it didn't like leave like weird feeling stickiness or anything. It was just like normal, which was pretty good. It was pretty amazing. I mean, that was the good part of it. But it doesn't dry fast, that I can tell you. So at the end of the day, when I was done with wearing it, I washed it by hand and I put it on my radiator, and my radiator's not on a high level or whatever, so okay, it didn't like burn it to a crisp, but it took like the whole night and the whole of the next day, I think, to dry. And that's a bit too long for me. Like, I would love it if I could just wash it in the night, let it hang, and then I can wear it the next day again. But that didn't happen. So, like, the rest of it, the thin parts were dry, but the parts with all the padding weren't. And that's the part that you really need, you know. So, unfortunately, I was really, really looking forward to loving this, because I'm like so on the hunt for like the best period panties ever. But I have to say, Snuggs just aren't it right now. But I'm glad I have them. At least I can put them in rotation, you know, with my other period panties. But they're not at the top of my list, unfortunately. I'm so sorry, Snuggs. I really wanted to love you. But they do have a good deal. You can get them for, I think it was €17 right now with free shipping. Instead of like the €36 that they're originally at or something like that. So it's kind of a good deal if you still need one, or you don't have one, or you're still using panty liners on your light flow days, or you know, you can replace your panty liners, you can replace your tampons, you can replace whatever like for your light flow days. I'm not so sure about heavy flow. I would still have to test that, I think, but I don't feel comfortable testing that. I prefer to be more secure in knowing that there's a disc there, like just collecting everything. But definitely as like a side, like a side, what's the word? Like accomplice to your cup, to your disc, or whatever that you use. Yeah, a companion. Yeah, I'd say it's a pretty good thing, and also for light flow days. But it could be more comfortable, and it could dry faster. And it could definitely be cheaper, because €36, I'm not paying that. So I hope you like my review of Snuggs, and let me know what you think if you've tried it, or let me know what brands you're using, because I'm still on the hunt to find them, and I'll see you next time.